Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sweta Majumder. I'm an aspiring makeup artist. Makeup is my hobby. So today I'm gonna start my channel's first video with a everyday basis beginner's makeup. So this makeup look which I'm going to achieve today is the everyday makeup which I wear usually while going to college or going for any classes or just doing some regular errands. So let's get started. So firstly we have to prep our skin. For prepping our skin we'll use a moisturizer to hydrate our skin. For moisturizing I'm going to use the Jeju Aloe Eyes Moisturizer from the Face Shop. Take a generous amount to moisturize your face. Along with the moisturizer, I'm gonna take some highlighter so that my skin looks glowy from within. So I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Vivid Bake Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. So next step is put a lip balm so that your lips get moisturized before putting any liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna use the Nykaa Macron lip balm for this. So for everyday I use the Garnier BB cream, which is this one, and I mix it with the Fit Me foundation. Just a teeny drop of Fit Me foundation. So I'll mix it in the palm of my hands. Just this much is enough. So I'll mix both of it nicely. And I'll dab it over all over my face. This just gives a Fit Me foundation, just gives you a very minimal finish, very natural finish. So let's buff it in. Everyday basis I don't like to use concealers because concealers are very heavy weighted like products. So I'll just use a just single drop of this Fit Me foundation over the lids to cancel out all the darkness. So this gives a very skin-like finish, so it doesn't look very cakey or anything. And you can wear this on a daily basis, on everyday basis. So to set my face for a very longer day, I'll just use a setting powder. So for setting, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour in the shade Caramel Toffee. So this is the product. I'm going to use this shade to set my face. So with the help of a wet beauty blender, we're just gonna dab it and push it in a motion to set the under eyes and the eyelids and also the T-zone. So next up, I'll fill my eyebrows just because I have a very thin eyebrow at the end, so I need to fill my brows. So for filling my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. This is the product. So it comes with a spoolie as well. So first I'm going to brush my eyebrows. Then I'm going to fill it in. eyebrows in a very light hand for a very natural looking everyday look. After my brows are done, I'm gonna use a contour shade to just crease my eye crease. Using the brown shade from the same contour palette, I'm just gonna use this as a transition shade to cut the crease of my eyelids. After putting this contour shade, this will just define my eyes a bit more. The depth of my eyes will be defined a bit more. You can see the difference in this eye is looking a bit bigger and this is looking a bit smaller. After this, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Coloricon palette in the shade Rose in the Air. I'm gonna just use this shimmery shade and this yellow shade, mixing these two in a very light-handed way. I'm just gonna top it off in my eyelid, so that my eyelids look a bit more awakened. Eyelids look a lot bigger now. So next up, I'm gonna line my eyes with the eyeliner. So using an eyeliner brush and this liner from Lakme Insta Liner water resistant eyeliner in the shade black, I'm gonna line my eyelids. I'm gonna use the mascara to just lift up my lashes. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Colossal New York Mascara. It's the non-waterproof version of this mascara. There's also a waterproof mascara of this brand, but then I don't like the waterproof one because it's a bit clumpy in nature. So after this, I'm just gonna take a kajal to put it on my waterline, just on the waterline, and I'll not smudge it, just on the waterline. In this way, so that my eyes look a bit defined, more defined. So for everyday basis, I don't like to use contours or any harsh things on my face so that it looks a bit more made up or something. So I just like to use a bit of natural blush. So for a natural looking blush, I'm gonna use my favorite Wet n Wild Coloricon blush in the shade Mellowwine. This is the product. I'm just gonna, with a light hand, I'm just gonna dab it over my face with a fluffy brush. And while doing the blush part on your face, please try to smile as much as you can so that the blush goes on the correct part of your face. After the blush, the face looks very fresh and glowy, so like very natural looking. So after the blush, I don't like to put highlighter on an everyday basis. So next up is lipstick. So for lipstick, I have my lips are already prepped. So for lipstick, I'm gonna use the NYX Soft Matte Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Canes. This is a very pinky, like nudish pink color. It's very good. It's good for the everyday makeup look. everyday basis, this lipstick is very nice because it gives a very velvety finish. So it lasts around 6 to 7 hours. So you can reapply whenever needed. So for college, this is the final look I usually do. And sometimes if there is any other occasion or I just want to change in this look, I just change the lipstick. So maybe a brown or maybe a wine shade for any special occasions at my work or at college. So and at the last tip, sometimes I just add my highlighter on the tip of my nose and bridge of my nose, like slightly in this way, just to give a very natural, healthy looking glowy finish. And also on the brow ones. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So I just love this. I love doing this look on an everyday basis. So this is how it looks. Thank you, and keep watching my videos. Like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. Thank you so much.